Hello everyone tonight and welcome. So I'm back. Yeah, it's really cool to be back. But anywho, right now I'm trying out some new mic audio and I thought I would try out the new Helldivers update. So enjoy the gameplay and let me know what you guys think of the audio. And yeah, it's just great to be back. So enjoy. Hey, it's me again. So I forgot to explain what's going on. So basically I just joined a random operation and right now we are just taking care of that.
Allied destroyer joining squadron, deploying Helldiver to combat zone.
Deploying my guard
Allied
dog.
destroyer joining squadron, deploying Helldiver to combat zone.
Requesting sentry!
Guard dog deployed. Black box should be around here somewhere. There it is.
Package acquired!
Let's go. Okay, so to drop the black box off, we gotta go across the whole battlefield in order to get. So let's go. But first, nice. Now that's a beautiful kill confirmed right there. Does it see me?
Enemy elite, north, 50
Ah,
meters.
crap, I think he sees me. Ah, strafe and run. Run, 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 run.
Rise, motherfucker!
Oh, brother. Up. Gotta keep going. Ah, man. Huh. Crap.
Calling in reinforcements!
Made it.
Illuminate.
Yep, he is still on my tail. It's okay because guess what? I'm about to insert the package. Okay,
Calling down a
let's have
sentry!
some fun.
I got the terminal!
There we go. In case if for anyone who's wondering, I've been playing Helldivers when the illuminate were first announced during the Game Awards in December. Approximately 2 weeks later, I got my hands on a PC, and I've been playing this game here and there, and it's been absolutely a blast, and I would really recommend if you don't play Helldivers, you should play Helldivers.
Requesting sentry!
And this is just nice. Got my Gatling, friendly area. Just gotta keep it going.
You have served democracy. Extraction awaits.
Nice. My objective secured. So I got a lot of illuminate to take out. So, let's keep it going. Do 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 do. Waka waka hey hey. Zaza waka. Now, gotta be careful. This gun will overheat and kill me. But I love it. Dang it.
Say hello to democracy! What's the say? Prosperity! Last reload!
Crap.
Reinforcing!
So that gallon cannot be for out.
Enemy elite, north, 100 meters. Marking location. North. Engaging. I'll take it. Requesting sentry. Calling down a support weapon. Air support.
There we go. Oh.
Liberty, take me!
Strike and run. Nice. Got it. Now where the heck is my stuff at? Nice. One down.
Sweet liberty, my leg! Requesting sentry. Calling down fortifications. Requesting package acquired.
Let's go, buddy. That's successful and easy opera. Shit. Stolen an eagle. Light it up. Alright, so with someone with these guys, you gotta like dump a half a mag on these things. Look at that. Dead. This one? Just gotta jump, you know, like just drop a half a mag. Okay, so you don't aim at the faces. It just shows how much health they have left. Fascinating. Anywho, incoming. Got it. Yep. So about reloading. So yeah, pretty much like half a mag is what brings these guys down. It is different because I play with my friends on like a level 9, and that was like difficult. This is like manageably difficult. But yeah, overall, this is just really great game. It's the best. Like, you can't go wrong with some good Helldive. It's just the best. It's great. Ah, perfect. Another one. Still alive. Cool. Ah. Oh, that's awesome. Get wrecked. I just love the smell of napalm in the morning. Alright, calling in extraction.
Extraction request confirmed. Shuttle inbound.
Heck yeah.
ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
Calling down fortifications.
Ah, this is nice.
ETA T-minus 20 seconds.
Throw him down. Portable shield. Nice tent.
ETA T-minus 10
Yeah,
seconds.
not have any illuminate threats coming in. Ah, mortar.
Sending in an eagle. Pelican 1 preparing to depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds.
Reinforcement budget depleted.
Nice. Get in, buddy. Get
Extraction
in.
complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
Nice. Successful extraction. Overall, between this little segment I'm sending to you guys, but also I played with some of my pals earlier. Really just overall, just awesome and epic on how they're doing with the illuminate, the customization and everything. Really just provides a lot of grind. Really amazing. Highly recommend. If you haven't played Helldivers in a while, now is a good time. And if you've been on the fence of wanting to play it, also a very good time to hop in, play Helldivers, and enjoy. But anyway, that's it for this quick little video. This is NV Gaming signing off. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our other YouTube channels if you're interested in checking out more content from NV. As well as don't forget about our Patreon. For as little as $5 a month, you are helping making a dream come true. But anyway, thanks again. This is NV signing off.